Today we'll sew up the coolest bus machine in the SVS range. It's the engineering survey culmination PB16 Ultra. We'll explore its nooks. It will let us know why it is considered one of the most powerful low-frequency generators for home use, my friends. A subtle movement of the hand. And just look what we have here. Its interior, that's for you. I've seen lots of stuff, but this guy just astonishes me. Just look at those confident engineering solutions and how solid everything is made. But first things first, the lifting bar is very stiff. To the touch, it's like butyl rubber. But the official website says it's premium fiberglass resin. A dust cap with the SVS label is about 16 inches, pure deep energy. Just take a look at this monstrous lifting bar. The spider is also made perfectly. It's of high quality. We get a solid construction of a movable system in combination. Everything is made for the immense factor of safety. The interior is classy and looks very expensive. The casing is made of medium density fiberboard, the same says the official website. Let's measure the edges. The lateral side is 2.5 centimeters, the front side is 5 centimeters, 2 times thicker. It's no wonder as we have a monster of a speaker here. The casing is very thick, for all the vibrations suppressing. The centering plate is maintained specially for holding this massive speaker. It's also used as a stiffening rib. Basically, I don't know how to temperate all this massive speaker energy without it. It's a completely rational engineering solution. It's no surprise that the head is maintained with a captive nut. Why no surprise? I know loads of examples when manufacturers of more expensive equipment, for example, monitor audio, pen audio, just put self-driving screws into the casing, and I think it's extremely chintzy and it just doesn't work this way. And we have just a captive nut, but everything is also glued well. Just take a look, perfect. Fasten connectors are used here. It means that you can forget they could dismantle, because the vibrations that this monster produces. As for binding posts used in powerful subwoofers, once a year they can unscrew, and you have to screw them up. In this case, the SVS engineers have foreseen everything for you, not to get into it and pay attention to such small points. The Nomics hyperthermal composite wires. As you can see, they are duplicated to red to black 24 strands, everything is stocked. Visually, the system magnet core cover is made well. Firstly, as it is used as an anti-static screen, also it protects the coil. You can find an 8-inch voice coil with edge winding under the cover, the biggest one ever used in consumer subwoofers. At least the guys from SVS say so. Also, we have 4 custom, massive toroidal ferrite magnets on board. They provide mind-blowing amplitude of 95 mm. Auto sound experts might be shocked by these measures. For an absolute song, I wish there would be neodymium magnets. Such power should be cooled for sure. Take a look at these holes. They are exactly used as the magnet system ventilation. If you look at it from the rear side, you can see a really thick copper wire coiled. Of course, the subwoofer is D-class. You ask why no A or B? Here it goes. This monster's working capacity is 1500 watts and peak capacity is more than 5000 watts. Just think of how much would an A or B class subwoofer with such values cost or weight. The top class REL 25 is also D-class. I presume the GL Audio Gotham version 2, the one with 2 speakers that weighs 160 kilograms and supplies up to 4500 watts, is also D-class. And an awful Gotham costs like a good car, about $20,000. As for our guy, considering all the technology even on the paper gives you more things, power, and it costs way less than its rivals. Surprising. As for the component's expensiveness, the speaker would cost about 40% of total price, and it weighs about 25 to 30 kilograms. As I think, to my eye. To the touch, it's polyester batting, and the whole casing is pasted with it, and it's great. My friends, once I opened MJ Acoustics Reference 200 and imagine, it was empty inside. It was the enclosed type with an AB speaker, but there was no such material there. It looked quite strange. The crate is very thick. When I touch it, it's covered with powder paint. 3 big ports, you can close 3 of them or open 2 of them. The engage switch is very tight, the grounded power supply, and also we have balanced inputs, balanced outputs. The main input is LFE, and this is a great disadvantage as there's no high level, though, music on this monster. On the other hand, it plays music well, and in the next video we'll see and test it, give it grades, but a bit later. And now, please subscribe and like, share and help us guys with every like of yours. Good luck!